Steve Hill with Midnight Trader here with another earnings alert for you for Thursday, July 16th after the market. IBM will be reporting its quarterly earnings, and we'll have a look and see what the previous quarter's earnings reaction was like and the follow through into the next trading day to see if we can get an idea of what IBM will be doing on Friday. This is a page from the earnings notebook that gives us some background of what IBM has done in the past. It favors a long-term reversal pattern and crossing narrower next day percentage closing levels following after-hours earnings events in 12 of the last 20 quarters. What that really means is what it's been doing in the after-hours, it's been pulling back from that in the opposite direction and either giving some or all of that back. In the near term, the stock has been favoring narrowing as well. It's cut back or reversed its evening performance into the next trading days in 5 out of the last 6 times. So whatever it's done in the after hours, right after the earnings, into the next trading day, it's given some of that or all of that back. So 5 out of the 6 times, that's a fairly consistent stock there. This is an end of day chart of IBM. In the red, I have the after hours gain loss following those earnings announcement. In the blue, we have the total gain loss through to the next day. As you can see, in the last quarter in April, it was down 1.3% following the earnings, and it reversed that and gained for a total of 1.8% through to the next trading day. The quarter back in January was actually a widening move, a plus 4.2 in after hours for a total of 11.5% of the next trading day. But the 3 previous events to that have shown a narrowing or a reversal of whatever happened in the after hours. So with something like IBM, there's a pretty good chance of what it does in the after hours, it's going to get back into the next trading day. So if you're into longs, and again, it's look to see which direction it is in the after hours. If it's down 1.3 or 2% after hours, then it's likely to go after the next trading day. And of course the reverse shorts. So that's IBM, earnings out on Thursday night, looking at what the trading possibilities are to Friday. One last slide for you today. We talked about earlier in the week in one of our alerts on Intel, and we talked about the 9 of the 11 prior upside moves in after hours following earnings are either narrowed or given back. Well, of course, as everybody knows, Tuesday's earnings on Intel were pretty good. The effective close right after the earnings was up over 12%, a pretty good jump in the after hours. But in the next trading day, it pretty much went nowhere. So that kind of keeps in line with what Intel has done in the past with these earnings. Short players would have to be pretty nimble to have taken any money out of this. It did go as low as 1772 during the trading day, but was flat by the end of the day. Well, I hope you found this information useful, and we'll be doing another regular update soon.